train. Sale service is not available on this train. Please notify the crew of any irregular activity on the train. Also, please note that
この先揺れますのでお気をつけください。またやむを得ず急停車することがありますので、お立ちの際は手すりなどにおつかまりください。JR 北海道をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。特急カムイ号札幌行きです。停車駅は深川、滝川、砂川、美唄、岩見沢、終着札幌です。自由席は1号車と2号車です。車内はすべて禁煙です。お客様にお願いいたします。携帯電話はマナーモードに設定の上、通話の際はデッキをご利用ください。
Welcome aboard the Kamui Limited Express bound for Sapporo. We will be stopping at Fukagawa, Takikawa, Sunagawa, Bibai, Iwamizawa, and the Sapporo terminal. Passengers with reserved seats, please check your car and seat numbers against those printed on your Limited Express tickets and reservation tickets and sit in the assigned seats. Cars 1 and 2 are for passengers without seat reservations. Please do not smoke in this train. If you use a mobile phone, please go to the end sections near the doors. To avoid causing any undue annoyance to other passengers, please refrain from engaging in loud conversations when on board